got our markup in the last video, and now what we're going to do is we're going to write some JavaScript to validate that markup form on the client side. So we have to create some script tags. The browser will recognize anything between these script tags as JavaScript. So we've said here on the markup that when the form is submitted, this function called validate should be returned. So we have to define that function validate. So we'll use keyword function, and we'll call it validate. We'll use open and close parentheses, nothing in the parentheses because we're not passing any parameters, a curly bracket to signify the opening of the function, and a curly bracket to signify the closing of the function. And we'll just check that this function is being accessed when called. So test. So what should happen is when a person presses the submit button, it should call the validate function, and the validate function should output an alert to the browser. So let's check that that's working. So let's load it. Submit the query. Oh, sorry. Submit the query. Yep, and it's all outputting an alert. So that's fine. That's exactly what we want to happen. Great. So then we create a variable called name with a capital N, and we set name equal to document. We set name equal to document dot get element by ID, and we'll put the name in there, dot value. So what this line of code does is it creates a variable called name capital N, and it sets it equal to anything in the document which has the ID name, which is the ID of our name input field. So it sets this variable name to the whatever the person inputs as their name. So let's copy that for each input field. So let's copy that for email. Put email in there. Let's then put age in there. And then what we need to do is we need to check if each input field has been entered. So we can see if name.length, which will name.length will calculate the length, the number of characters that the person's inputted as the name. If this is 0, then it means that the person's left the name input field blank, obviously, which is not what we want. So we have to flag that up as a validation error. So what we do is we say var errors equals document dot get element by ID, and we have to put in name. Okay. Oh, wrong. Errors, which refers to the error section here. And then we have to say errors dot style dot color equals red. So that the color of the writing in the error section is red, so that it's apparent to the user. And then errors dot inner HTML equals you must enter name. Like that. And then say that name2 equals document.get element by id name, and we'll say name2 dot value false. You must enter a name. And then we'll say that name2 dot style dot background color equals red. And then we'll return false to stop the submission of the form. False. So let's save that. Reload it. And if we leave the name blank, yep, it says you must enter a name, and down here you must enter a name. Good. So it's working. Making sure the person doesn't enter a blank name. Okay, so sometimes, for example, entering a username, there'll be a requirement on the length. So we'll say that we want our name to be at least above 5 characters. So in the else loop, we'll say if name.length is less than 5, then in that circumstance, we'll copy this. And what we're saying, if it's less than 5, then you must enter a name greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5 characters, and copy that. Greater than or equal to 5 characters, and I think we'll need to be cautious of the time in this video now, so we'll save that, we'll reload it. Now, if I submit the query leaving the name field blank, obviously it flags up the error. You must enter a name. So if I enter my name, John, it flags it up as another enter. You must enter a name greater than or equal to 5 characters. So if I put in my full name, John Hood, and hit submit query, it now accepts that. So because it's above 5 characters. So what we've got here is if the length of the name is equal to 0, it puts it as black. It creates a variable equal to the errors division called errors. It sets the error style to red so that the colour of the font in the error section is red. It puts the writing, the inner HTML inside the error section equal to you must enter a name. It selects the name input field again and writes in the name input field you must enter a name, and it puts the background colour name input field to red. And it does something similar in this section, but only if the number of characters entered for the name is not greater than or equal to 5. So that's the name validation pretty much done. We'll have to end this video here, and I know that I said I'd get all the JavaScript validation done in one video, but this video is just overstretched, so we'll do the email validation and the age validation in a subsequent video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.